Well, hello. Thank you for joining me. Please support this video and click like, subscribe, save, and comment below. Get ready for this lovely hand soap or body soap. Let's get started. The ingredients that you'll need for this lovely lavender hand soap and body wash will be 2 cups of natural spring water, 2 tablespoons of lavender, 3 tablespoons of castile soap, 1/4 of a teaspoon of olive oil, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of jojoba oil. Now let's make the lavender tea with 2 tablespoons of lavender. Yes, you can enjoy a cup of this as well. Add 2 cups of hot water, not boiling water, then let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. After letting the tea cool down, you can then add it to a glass container. Next, add 3 tablespoons of castile soap to the tea. Next, add 1/4 of a teaspoon of jojoba oil. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of olive oil. Get in there, get in there. Stir the mixture. Now this soap is ready to pour in a soap dispenser. Testing out the soap, it feels really good and smells even better. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to a week or so, but I like to freeze it and put it in ice cube trays and take them out as I need it. Oh yes, don't forget to make the label. Like I always do. I hope you enjoy.